Hello and good day to you. Here we go. We are doing this week's accountability. It's been fun, man. It's been fun. Um, I've just uploaded the next 10 videos. I'm just marking them because it's super annoying with TikTok to see how it's going. But anyways, let's get to this week. Profit is not great, man. Profit is poor as most of the time, as I've shown you. I will now take a minute to show you what's going on, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Where is this? Nope. Nope. All right, there we go. So we have, this is the profit so far this month. It is without the new launches. So this is the older books that are making some profit already. 3,700, probably around $1,000 to $1,300 on Ingram Spark. So we're kind of hovering around 5,000 total profits. However, we need to consider, I did some accounting and it looks like my monthly costs, excluding freelancers, but usually freelancers are doing new tasks. Let's say just my ads management and fixed costs for applications, course costs, a few other things like ChatGPT, and anyways, I have around $2,200 costs. So that's gonna put us somewhere around $2,500 profit per se, but it's not profit because I'm investing way more into the next books and other things that we're doing, right? So it's not horrible, it's not amazing, right? It's just, and again, this is not with the new launches. So with the new launches, this is more like it. So 2.6K here, and then we have some Ingram Spark, as I said. So again, it's not great, it's not amazing, it is what it is, right? So let me tell you more about what's going on. I've had a lot of good success. I've had 2 organic sales coming on TikTok. They were actually from dads instead of moms, so that was interesting. And I'll tell you slowly what I've done, what I've achieved, where I've saved time, and what kind of things I've come to so far, okay? I have a new music coming out soon. It sounds not that great yet, I can tell you that, but it's coming together better and better. Let me see, I can just maybe show you the quick. So this is where it started. Now I miss you, I wish I found a way to fix you. Now I miss you, there was when I see people talking this and that, there's no way to be ready. That was just in the morning. I woke up and then later actually it's crazy, the beautiful girl that I was together with, and it kind of gave me the inspiration for this song. It's crazy because one very specific song that she had introduced me to, the song that I'm working on now, which is gonna sound more like this. Now I miss you, I wish I found a way to fix you. Now I miss you, just another chance to see it through. Anyways, it's gonna get way better than this. This is just, I don't want to show off the whole song before it's ready. But the inspiration, it was also from her. The song that she showed me, actually, that's kind of the vibe that's gonna be there. So I was like, what a coincidence, man. It's crazy. It's crazy that the song that she showed me, and then I randomly at some point come up with a song idea, and then the vibe of these 2 songs are very close, and they both connect to the same person in my emotions and heart, etc. So that's very cool. Anyways, so the song is going forward. I took some course for music stuff. I took 2 courses actually. I basically finished watching Ryan Tedder's course on song creation, and I'm now watching another course for just overall business of music. it's interesting. I definitely want to keep pursuing this. So yeah, that's cool. Let me see. Published the advent calendar. The cover got rejected on Ingram Spark. I'm training my VA to do the publishing for the Ingram Spark, so that's going well. I've scheduled 18, well now around 30 different TikTok videos today, but before that it took me a lot of time. Like last week, I would say probably around 30-40 hours I've invested into creating the content for TikTok. So that's pretty much that. And yeah, just teaching my VA to do the uploads. I also did a good thing, which is I was deciding to sell my car because if I sell it, it's an old car, I can get probably like $600 for it. But then I think I correctly decided it's just not worth my time. It's better to just put it in the junkyard and don't deal with the answering the phone. It's just so much friction for what? For $300? Remember, $300 is not bad, but what's really bad is me not investing the same amount of time and attention into something that grows and compounds my skills in the future, right? So that's kind of where it pains me the most, let's say. But in any case, I think that was a good choice. I'm very happy about that, you know. Don't want to waste time at all. Then the driver's license thing I also think was smart because it's a future problem. I don't drive cars. I don't need to drive cars. So I'm not going to focus on that. So that's that. And yeah, I wasted a lot of time, but it was a future problem, right? So yeah, but I've had some good successes. I think I've also realized I don't want to dopamine max myself by talking about things. I want to do things. So I've taken way more action this week. So that's been very nice. And other than that, what else do we have? I think that's pretty much that. Let's see. I would say my meditation has also taught me how I'm looking forward to food and it's exciting me, it's making me stressed. So every day now I eat a bit earlier and then I go out and walk, and then when I come home maybe I give myself a small kiwi to reward myself, right? And that's it. I don't want to do more than that. It seems in a way logical, but I don't want to give myself dopamine from talking or fruits or other things. Instead, I want to focus on the hard tasks. That's the whole reason, right? I don't know. That's kind of what it is. The next week's goals is to push the TikTok. I've already planned out content until 2nd of August, so that's like 1 week ahead. I have around 7 times 4. Yeah, around 20 videos. Yeah, I also had scheduled from before as well, so I have around 28 videos that are going out, 4 a day. It's exhausting, man. It's so hard. But again, there's I want to understand content better. I want to understand what's making short content exciting. So it's nice. I'm happy about that. So I'm going to keep increasing that, and I'm going to keep trying to make better content for the publishing business. Probably I will also hire a ghostwriter and try to push the books out in the traditional way, the ones that I already have. So there's a lot to do. I'm excited. Anyways, have a beautiful day, and I will talk to you next week. Bye-bye.